I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
I am bullish because of Nostr. I am bullish because of the implications of what Nostr can provide. We now have an open protocol that is right now being used for social media. Sure, we all know that that is just a small part of what the potential that it has, right? There's bounties out there for a lot of other things like GitHub replacements and everything else. We have an open protocol for, let's say, just communication, combined with an open protocol for internet native money, which is Bitcoin. The two of those things combined, there has not been a singularity before, a moment in time where this has existed. And it's all really fun now. We're all zapping nips for different memes, and there's a lot of fun to be had. I see you laughing over there, guy. That's what I was hoping for. But take a step back and think about what this means. 30 years ago yesterday, Eric Hughes wrote a Cypherpunks manifesto. And I reread it again. And I'd read it actually recently and realized, wow, so what Hughes is talking about in there is that freedom of speech is paramount, right? That comes before even privacy is freedom of speech. And he says this in the first couple of lines. But then after that in order for privacy to be a viable option, you need to have the ability for anonymous transactions. For anonymous transactions to be possible, you need some sort of money that is the cypherpunks holy grail, right? That's all of these guys, Nick Szabo, Adam Back, Satoshi, all of these people who are working towards this. We have that realization today in Bitcoin, and we can debate whether it's anonymous or pseudonymous, but you can, privacy is the right to selectively reveal oneself to the world, right? It doesn't necessarily mean being anonymous. A pseudonymous developer named Fiat Jaff created Nostr. The free and frictionless exchange of value on a free speech protocol like Nostr has massive implications. And not only that, the reason that I'm actually bullish on all of this is because you have people, Guy, I saw you dropping some incredible knowledge on somebody who I could see they didn't have Zaps enabled yet on their profile. And I saw a guy engaging with this person in good faith because they were asking questions about Bitcoin. They were seeing that everybody's talking about Zaps. They were just on Nostr as a communication protocol, which awesome. That's great. That's what it's for. But you were able to then bring that around to have an orange pill opportunity, right? To say, hey, here is why Bitcoin is important. Here's why Bitcoin is valuable. Here's why if you take a step outside of the Western USA bubble, you have a lot of things that you can learn about this. I'm bullish because Nostr is another on-ramp to Bitcoin.